Hello.
Welcome back to Unbox. Which one would you like? Do you have a preference?
No, I don't have a preference.
I don't know if I'm doing this right.
Oh, almost cut myself. How does this work?
I know, I'm having the same issue.
There's not enough sides on this box.
Here.
Hello.
Hey, number one, we're your new neighbors.
Hi, neighbors.
Hi there.
Had the little kid in me. I look through that window and I look at those robots. I don't even care what they do.
It doesn't matter what they do.
Yeah.
I'm just like doing an unboxing video.
Yeah,
We
you're
are.
live on Unbox.
Oh,
Come around and say hi.
These are our new neighbors.
Are you guys from the media
Introduce yourself.
company?
yeah.
What's up, man?
Hey, what's going on? Hey, everybody.
Hi there.
Hello, I'm Jeff.
Oh, hi.
These are our new neighbors. Welcome.
Got it.
Here, I'll take a turn. Wow, it's heavy.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, God.
I see a little track in here.
Ooh, wheels, feet. Yeah, I'm really puzzled here. I'm gonna skip this part because this is hard to open and I'm just gonna get some pliers or something. I'm pretty sure there's linear guides in here. They're really heavy. Box of fasteners and it's an e-chain. It's an electronic chain. It's a cable carrier. It carries the cables. A big bag full of red plastic plugs. So what you're seeing here is not a complete CNC machine, but an extension of a CNC machine. Because sometimes a CNC machine needs to get longer, and if your machine is made out of 80/20 rails, you just bolt some new stuff on there, make it bigger. It's no big deal. Go ahead, slap it on there.
Yeah.
So thanks to Avid,
Thank you.
formerly CNC Router Parts, for extending our CNC. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.